Law of attraction.
One of the most popular and controversial New Age spiritual movements is the law of attraction.
The law of attraction is a theory that everyone has the power to attract things to them. That means what you focus on will be drawn to you. You can use this law to manifest anything you want in your life, from love and money to more time and an improved self-image. It's not always easy to understand how the law of attraction works, but if you're interested in attracting positive things into your life, here are some tips on how to use this powerful universal tool. Have you ever noticed that when you're feeling positive and happy, something good tends to happen? When we're feeling discouraged and negative things seem to happen. Subscribe, like, share, comment. That's because we attract what we focus on. The law of attraction is a great tool for creating success in your life and achieving your goals. If we want more positivity in our lives, then all we have to do is start believing in ourselves and positive things will come our way. According to quantum physics, there's enough energy in 1 second to create all the matter and energy in the world. Just by knowing that we can manifest reality using our thoughts and feelings, we can tap into the limitless source of energy and create whatever we want. Here are some tips to help you understand and use this mind-bending power. 1. Be grateful. Before you can attract anything into your life, you must first become grateful for what you already have. 2. Visualize your goals. Visualizing your goals can be an effective way to achieve success. 3. Look for the positives in a situation. The theory follows that people can positively influence their future by thinking positively thoughts and focusing on what they want in life. A person's thoughts can affect their physical reality. 4. Learn how to identify negative thinking. It is a process of thinking negatively. When we think negatively, we tend to create problems and stress, and attract negative experiences into our lives. 5. Use positive affirmations. It is believed that if enough positive energy is put into the universe through thoughts, feelings, and emotions, then the universe will return these positive vibes in the form of positive events and outcomes. 6. Reframe negative events in a more positive way. It is the belief that like attracts like, which posits that positive thoughts, feelings, words and actions produce positive results, while negative thoughts, feelings, words and actions produce negative results. While it may seem difficult to change our thought patterns, the law of attraction can be used as an effective tool for those looking to accomplish goals and make their dreams reality. While many people are skeptical, the law of attraction is a proven concept. I recommend following your heart and believing that anything is possible. When you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you are sending a strong signal to the universe that you are ready for your dreams to come true. You can live in a world of abundance with this mindset. What is your biggest dream right now?